talk about my latest scooter. This is the Hiboy S2 Electric Scooter, and it comes in this great box. I'm going to show you. I took it out of the box because we had to charge it because we're going to take it for a test drive. But it comes packed in this really nice packing material. And all you have to do when it comes out of the box is attach 4 screws. Right here, you attach 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You use a little Allen wrench that they give you and the screws provided. Very easy to assemble. And you have to charge it. They give you the charging unit. It charges super fast, 5-hour fast charging. So you plug this in. Let me show you where. Right here. Here's the charging bay. Plug it in, 5 hours, you're ready to go. So let's talk about some of its features. When you're not charging it, just cover up the little red button. There we go. Okay, so to get ready to ride, what you have to do, it has a quick release. When you're ready to carry it around, I'll show you first. You conveniently lock it in place like this, and it's super portable. See? I can carry it with one hand if I wanted to. Carry it around. Has a kickstand. Put it down. All the instructions you need to get started are right here. It talks about how unfold the stem, push it until you hear a click. Let's do that. We'll unlock it. So unfold it, push this down until you hear a click. There you go, it's clicked in place. So now we're ready to go. So charge for 5 hours. Wow, the wind is picking up. So I'm going to put this instruction manual away before it blows away. We're going to talk about some of its other features. Wow. All right, let's go before I blow away. What do you think, James? Turn it on. To turn it on, press the power button. So you want to turn the headlight and side lights on, press again. And then look at the tail light as well. I'm going to turn, I'll leave the headlight on, why not? Headlight off, headlight on. All right, tail light. Extra good. So here we go. I'm going to take it for a spin. First time. There's 2 modes. S, press twice. Green S. Now green S is the slower mode and red S is your faster mode. The red S mode is sport mode, and that's maximum of 19 miles per hour, max speed. Press it again, twice, for green S mode, which is drive mode, maximum speed of 13 miles an hour. And if you press the power button quickly 3 times, you'll hear beep, beep, or you'll hear beep, the cruise control function. So that's cruise control function. Turn it off. So, here we go. Let's take it for a ride. I'm gonna start in drive mode. Now this is the brake release here. Let's take it for a spin, guys. We're gonna start in drive mode. guys, we're gonna go in sport mode and see how well it handles the uphill. Here we go. Check out those lights. Look at those running board lights, right? Extra good. Headlight, tail light. Wow, I'm loving it. It's a really, really cool e-scooter. It's plenty of power, and what I like about it best is it's super lightweight. And it can hold maximum 220-pound person. So the Hiboy S2 is an amazing e-scooter. Portable, extra powerful, great braking, great maneuverability, loving the lights, and fast charging 5 hours, and it's on a great price. Now I'm going to try sport mode, the fast mode. Here we go. Woo! Wow, great acceleration. I'm zipping along. Fast brakes, extra good. All right, guys, let's go down by the water. Wow, look at it go uphill. Guys, I was going uphill. It takes the uphill great. Plenty of power.